Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and today I'm making one of the most nostalgic drinks ever. So it's the Orange Julius, and my fondest memories, some of them, were sitting upstairs at the Orange Julius looking out over the rest of the mall, because that's one of the times that that was the beginning of me becoming independent. So I was there with a lot of my friends, and we would just be drinking these Orange Juliuses, which were so amazing, so easy to make, and there's only a few ingredients. So we have the milk, powdered sugar, orange juice, ice, and sliced oranges, and a little bit of vanilla. So easy. You probably have all of this at your house right now. And this is about 8 oranges worth. So all you're gonna do is just put everything down in the blender. Okay, so that's about 4 cups of ice, and then 4 cups of orange juice. Okay. All right, and then the powdered sugar. And I have a little bit of ice that just in case I don't feel like it's thick enough, and I'll put more ice in there. And then some milk. Okay, I'm only gonna put a little bit of the milk in there now because I wanna make sure that they're nice, icy, and frothy. Okay, so I'm gonna do the ice crush on. Okay, let's see if I need to do anything different down in here. Okay, no, it's getting there. So it has a little air bubble in it. So you'll want to open it up and make sure all the ice got crushed, and make sure that there's no air bubbles in there. I'm going to let it blend one more time, and then we are about done. I'm going to put my vanilla in. I forgot that the first to go around. All right, there we go. And here we go. I think we are there. So I'm gonna just stir this up just a little bit and spoon it in to my glass. Does that not look so delicious? Oh my gosh. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then you can garnish and make it really cute with an orange slice. And there you have the Orange Julius. It is so good, y'all. I cannot wait to taste this. That is delicious. Brings me back to when I was 13 years old. Talk to you later.